these packs. I just opened up Beast Mode pack, and as soon as I do that, the recorder shuts down. Got to figure out a space problem here. It's getting real ridiculous. It takes me right out of my mood. There we go. Shaq Thompson, Elite Collectible, Super Bowl player. I need that. AP card, another gold Super Bowl player. This pack seems pretty fire right now. Cordy Glenn, nothing there. Will Hill, Elite, Gold Robert McLean. Ah, there we go. Super Bowl Elite Malik Jackson. Last pack. I'm going to have to buy me a couple more of these bad boys. Another gold Super Bowl player, Derek Anderson. Well, give me another Elite. Another Super Bowl player, Juwan Thompson. That's pretty good. I'll buy some more of these packs and put another video together. You can see what I've gotten so far out of them. Gotten 3 Super Bowl players, well, 2 Super Bowl players. Nope, that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And I've got quite a few of the gold ones. There's 4 there. There's 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them. Not bad. How you guys doing? This is the second installment of opening up these 50th Super Bowl packs. Opened up, I think, 8 of them earlier, 9 of them. Oh, and I spent a pretty good penny on them today. So let's see what we got here. Hoping for some elite Super Bowl players. That'd be real decent. Last time I got a couple. Not many. There we go. Shaq Thompson, Josh Bush. 91 speed. That's pretty good for a linebacker. Let's go to the next pack. Got 7 of these. I've opened up about 15 of these. Reveal all by accident. Malik Jackson, Shane Ray, Anthony Sherman. Decent pack. I'm happy with it. See what the third pack holds for us. Another collectible, another Super Bowl player, another one. Give me an elite. Yeah. There we go. Just keep it up. Get me something good here. Happy with them players because I'll turn them into elites if I got to. Come on, I need some elite players though. Get some of this money back. Let's come check out Madden Mobile Football Outsiders 3. There we go. Ronnie Hillman. He's a fast little booger. CJ Mosley. It's not a bad pack right here. I'll take that. Let's open up the second to last pack. I think that Ronnie Hillman, he's got like a 94 speed. Couple gold Super Bowl players. Tyler Eifert. Let's open up this league pack first. See if I'll never get anything in these. It's not like them players are any good. Last pack. Give me somebody good. We'll start on this far side this time. Elite collectible. Dan Trevathan. There it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the pack opening. I hope you guys opened up your packs, got you something good. Let's see what I picked up then. Couple elites, a bunch of golds. That ugly Jerry Rice is still sitting there. You guys take it easy. Have a good night.